Morning, everyone. Welcome to my Excel videos again. Uh, this I will be posting on my YouTube channel today. This is a small regard. This is a small actually function, which is the convert function. Okay, which converts various measurement units into another measurement unit. Okay, so we'll suppose you go to an interview and you are asked to convert grams into kilograms, inches into let's say inches into feet, okay, feet into inches, or liters into gallons. uh, so this formula would help you greatly in doing that. So I have the examples here. For example, here I have a convert we are converting grams into kilograms, okay, and kilograms into grams, vice versa. We have converted pound into kilogram, and feet we have converted it into inches, liters we have converted into gallons. Okay, so let's see how we can do this with the help of the formula convert. Okay, so the formula is actually this: convert, CONVERT. This is a Excel formula which we can use to convert the measurement units. Okay, let's go to the second sheet here. Okay, here I have got the just give me a second here, let me align it properly. Okay, so here I have got this is actually, I have the answers here, but in this sheet I have only got the measurement units, and I need to pull out the data, or rather I need to pull out the results here. Okay, so how do we convert grams into kilograms? Okay, we'll just use the formula here, CONVERT, and we'll have to choose the cell here, comma, we'll use within double quotes, we'll use gram, which is G, and sorry, yeah, G, and again we will use within quotes, we'll use kg. So that's it, we have got our measurements. Let's just recalculate it once more and see if we got the correct one. Or okay, so this seems to be correct, so our calculation here is correct. Now reversing it, or doing the reverse calculation, converting kilograms into grams, I've got from 1 to 25 kilograms here. Let's try and convert this into grams. Okay, we'll use the same formula here. This is kilogram, so that is kg into gram, which is G. So I think we got the correct formula again, correct results again. So grams and kilograms is not that much of a big factor here. The second thing is about converting pound into kilograms. Okay, now the pound into kilogram is a bit complicated in the sense, I've got a disclaimer here, rather, or scientific article. Okay, so this says that we cannot convert mass into a force. These are the same units, still they are related. A mass of 1 lmb weight on earth is 1 pound of force, basically. As long as we are not going to outer space, we don't have to do much about it. On earth, at least at the sea level, or moving very fast, they are the same thing. Okay, so this is something that we have to know about, or we should know about. So there's nothing much to do here. Again, we will use the function converting one. Now this is, we are converting what? We are converting mass, which is LMB here. So I will, within double quotes, I'll put in LMB, and I will convert this into kg. Something went wrong here. Oh, LBM, my bad. Okay, so you got the correct answer, I believe. Yes. Now let's try and convert inches into feet. Okay, so this is, so the next thing that we can do is try and convert the feet into inches. Okay, so what we'll do here is we will again use the convert function. Convert, this is bracket into in, yeah, ft into in. So what we are getting is 1 feet is equal to 12 inch, 5 feet is equal to 60 inch, 25 feet is equal to 300 inch. Okay, seems correct. Okay, great. Now another thing that we can do here is try and convert liters into gallons. Okay, so we will use the same function, but remember we need to use these terms here, GAL, okay, IN to convert it into inches, GL to convert it to gallon, and what else is uncommon here? Let me check once more. Okay, nothing else. Kg is okay. So we'll use the convert function here. CONVERT, convert. Now what is this in? The unit is in L, liters. This we are going to convert into gallon. Okay, so it will be GAL. So we have got our results ready here. I'll just unfreeze the pins here. We have, what we've done so far is we have converted grams into kilograms, kilograms into grams again, mass, pound mass into kilograms, feet into inches. We have converted liters into gallons. Okay, so this is a short video that I wanted to post just for knowledge sake, and for you to be able to use the convert function correctly in your scope of work. Okay, so if you want, you can just write down the formulas here, or take a note of the formulas here. This is the formula for converting from grams to kilograms. This is the formula to convert from kilograms to grams. This is the formula for converting from pound force to kilograms. Formula for converting feet to inches, and converting the convert function for from liters to gallons. Okay, thank you very much for watching this video. If you liked it, and if this is helpful for you, please subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon. Okay, thank you very much again. Goodbye, have a great day.